Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install a stepper motor damper to your 3D printer. Firstly, start unscrewing it. Once you have everything unscrewed, take out your stepper motor so that you can take off that metal piece there. Then, screw on your stepper motor damper. After that, screw your stepper motor back onto the 3D printer. After that, screw the metal piece back on that we removed earlier. Then peel off the tape and put on the heatsink. Hopefully this upgrade made your 3D printer more quiet. If you enjoyed, please subscribe. Check out some of my other videos.